Hello and welcome to Medswift channel. My name is Michael. Today we'll be talking about a dry chemical fire extinguisher. It's an extinguisher that is best for Class B fires, though it is a multi-purpose fire extinguisher that cuts across Class A, B and C. This type of fire extinguisher has sodium bicarbonate salt as the content stored under pressure. It is an extinguisher that can be used for Classes B fires effectively. When using this type of fire extinguisher, it is important to note that it's a very messy type of fire extinguisher, so it is advisable not to use it in an enclosed environment. Now, the features of this fire extinguisher are as follows. It has a safety pin. It is secured with a safety seal. A dry powder fire extinguisher is color-coded blue and written the type there. It has instructions on how to operate. It has an intact discharge horn that is a bit bigger than the one we saw for water-type fire extinguisher. Kindly ensure that all your fire extinguishers are inspected annually to ensure that they are all in a good working condition. Thank you for watching and be safe.